Hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. So a little different from usual how I'm going to be doing this today. This is for the month of December, and how I'll cover it is like I'll look at the first half of December for you, what is the energy through the oracle cards, and then I'll look at the second half, what is the energy for you. Okay? And then we'll look at your career and your relationship separately. All right? So let's see. What's the energy for you for the first half of December, Cancers? Cancers, first half of December. Building blocks. Occupied. You're very occupied in the first half of December. There's a project or there's something that you're working on and you freaking want to make sure that you succeed in this. You're very confident, you want to do this, and you're in your power. You're a leader here. I see you being blessed in all ways, in all forms. Okay? I see you moving in the direction of where you're supposed to be at. Okay? I'm also picking up somewhere that you could be focusing a lot on your health, on the way you look, on every aspect of your life right now, because that is important. You're not going to be looking at anything else at this point but just what makes you happy. Okay? And I feel you'll have a tunnel vision in this month where you'll just kind of focus on things that keep you moving and keep you going. Okay? Somewhere I also feel that a lot of people might interpret you as selfish in the first 15 days of December, but that's okay. Because it's not like you're being selfish, it's just that you need this. Okay? You need this. Now, the first 15 days, you will be expecting some results as well, is what I'm seeing. Let's see. What do the remaining 15 days have for you, Cancers? Remaining 15 days of December for Cancerians. Remaining 15 days. Not for you. You'll be confessing something. You will be confessing something, or someone is going to tell you something. And this could be related to a relationship or truth coming in front of you, which will give you clarity, simple clarity that this is not working out. Maybe you are with someone and this person might just tell you that no, it's not going on. Or you might tell the person that no, we can't go on like this. Some truth coming to surface that this cannot go on. I see a lot. I mean, whatever this situation is, you've been frustrated for a while in this situation. I picked that up. But yeah, you're finally getting to a point of clarity. You're finally getting there. Now let's look at your career. How does your career look for the month of December? So that's the theme, but let's see. I'll look at the relationship because this is giving me the relationship vibe. But I'll see I'll be doing a separate spread for relationships. So in that, I'll be able to see that better. So let's see, how does your career look like or your finances look like in the month of December? finances. Ooh, 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, the Tower. Something is breaking up. Okay, some of you, I mean, this reading can be triggering. Some communication will lead to a breakup of sorts, okay? Maybe your stability is linked with a person, your finances and everything, and that will be shaken up. So I'm just giving you a heads up that yes, it will be shaken up, okay? But it's not like you'll go through hell. You still have stuff, which is why we picked up building blocks. Okay? I see things being worked out in your favor. Your finances will be a little shaken up, but things will become fine. It's not like it's forever. So that is what the message is for you. That it will be shaken up. It might go through a turmoil, but it will be fine, Cancers. The thing is, it's a lesson for you. You're going through a massive change in your life. It's a lesson for you to understand that you cannot make one particular thing your everything in life. You can't do that. Okay? That's for your career and your money scene, basically. Stability is shaken up, but it's for a lesson, and the lesson is learned. Okay? Now, don't feel disheartened, but sometimes you have to go through certain things in a tough way. Now, let's look at your relationships, because we picked that energy up in the second half of December. Let's see. Your relationships, let's see. Some communication, I'm telling you, something will be said. Look at this. This is also 5. This is also 5. Some communication. Someone is saying something. Either you will speak up or your partner is going to speak up. Something like that. Tower I have twice. Something is breaking in your life. A relationship is coming to an end. I'm sorry, but I'll have to tell you what I pick up. Something's ending. Something's ending. It'll change your life. You might think that, yes, you might have to build again. You might have to do things again. But it's happening because it had to happen. You can't change it. Okay? Something's coming to an end for your good, so that you rebuild something in your life. Okay? Now, let's see what is the advice for you. Don't get disheartened, because changes come in your... Okay. I'll read this out. Changes do come, and it is important. Read this. Upset or disheartened by the roadblocks in your path. Don't be. It is a test of your commitment. You've prayed to us for this. Prayers have immense power. Do not lose strength. Shift the focus from fear to finding a solution. Remember, along with your prayer, efforts are equally important. Don't be complacent and sit idly hoping for things to work out magically. Make your efforts and we'll guide you. Do your bit and we'll do ours. Stop overthinking. This fear will not shape in reality. Trust me. Avoid reckless behavior and refrain from taking impulsive decisions. So here I feel that, you fear this thing disrupting. But how long can you hold on to something? Certain things have to disrupt for something new to start in your life. Having said that, I know it is heavy, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay. All right, Cancers, that's what I have for you. I hope this helps. See, don't get disheartened. I'm telling you over and over again. Everything has a silver lining. Okay. Everything. It's just the way we look at things. Okay, Cancers. So that is what I have for your reading. I hope this helps. And private readings are open, so you can reach out. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.